Good day everyone, I'm Seanbert Encarnacion, and today I'll explain the step-by-step reception procedures of an inmate in the BJMP. The process starts with the gater or gate officer. The gater checks the identity and authority of the escort and ensures all required documents are complete, such as the commitment order, medical certificate, police booking sheet, and certificate of detention. After inspection, the inmate is referred to the records unit. Next, the records unit reviews all documents and sends the inmate to the health unit for medical examination. The health unit checks the accuracy of the medical certificate and examines the inmate's physical condition. If there are inconsistencies, the committing officer must secure a new certificate. After the check-up, the inmate returns to the records unit for the booking process, taking fingerprints, mugshots, and recording data in NIMS. The property custodian then it inspects and records the inmate's belongings, securing valuables in the vault. The desk officer records the inmate in the blotter and assigns them to a reception area for orientation and classification. The assistant warden or officer of the day gives orientation about jail rules and regulations using the inmate's orientation sheet. Finally, the jail warden coordinates with other agencies and prepares reports to inform all concerned parties about the inmate's commitment. This process ensures that the inmate is properly received, documented, and treated humanely inside the BJMP facility. Thank you.